the right type of paint and the right type of technique, technically you can install, you can paint over vinyl siding, but you have to be very careful. Whenever you're doing that, you have to make sure you have the right paint, and the color that you're painting the vinyl siding has to be either the same color or lighter. If you don't, you're going to run into some situations. In fact, I had a house in Roachport. A homeowner had called me to give him a vinyl siding estimate. And when I got there, he had spent $6,000 to paint this vinyl siding. And it had some defects to it. It was aged, but they didn't paint it the same color or lighter. It was a darker color, and it ended up bringing out all the defects. It made the siding look worse. It was terrible. So now he's going to have to go back and replace all of that vinyl siding after spending $6,000 on it. So although technically it can be painted, it doesn't always look great. And if it's not done the exact right way, you could just be throwing your money away. As far as how to maintain that exterior, you want to make sure that you're keeping your vinyl siding clean, and you don't want to use a hard pressure wash. You want to use a soft pressure wash. Just keep the mold and the dirt and the stuff off of that. That's going to help it look the best for the longest period of time. Any broken pieces of siding that you might have, you want to make sure those get fixed in a timely manner as well. Be mindful of landscaping. Don't have your landscaping too close for moisture and scratches and damage and that sort of thing. As long as you're doing that, it should look really good for a long time.